Zoya, coming to you, completing 15 years in the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for this wonderful, wonderful filmmaker. You know, we are here to celebrate this iconic theatre. At the same time, your journey. What do you have to say?
It's very exciting. This theatre was a single screen, and Farhan and me were in a school down the road. So we crossed this theatre in and out every day. And to actually be here and be a filmmaker for the last 15 years, it's almost surreal. Today is also 9 years of Dil Dhadakne Do. And I want to thank Mr. Gupta and Mr. Bijli for giving us the best birthday gift, which is playing our films back on the screen. It really takes something to actually develop a space and to be able to play films that have happened, to put festival films out, and to keep the culture of cinema going. We are the capital of the film industry here, and to be able for them to enable this and to keep the youth that's coming to be able to watch older films that maybe have been before their time on the big screen is a real gift. So I want to thank the two of them.
Thank you so much for sharing that. Farhan, this one's for you. Please बताइए थोड़ा सा यहाँ जोया को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, उनकी जो पूरी जर्नी है 15 साल की, इसको सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट 15th ईयर है लक बाय चांस का भी. सो अब इस वक्त क्या लग रहा है?
Good afternoon. पहले तो मैं before I answer your question, I want to quickly say a couple of thank yous. I'd like to say thank you to Ajay for really being a torchbearer when it comes to encouraging people to come into theatres, making it a pleasurable experience, making it a comfortable experience, something that's memorable. It's time well spent, money well spent, and you really, Ajay, have been doing a great job with it for years now. हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी during the pandemic, if you remember. We met on some island in Maldives or something somewhere, and we were talking यार लोग आएंगे वापस थिएटर में, सबको आदत लग गई है टीवी पे फिल्म देखने की, and it's so heartening to see that in what numbers people have come back to a theatre, because this is something that I think Indian people culturally just enjoy. You know, coming to a movie theatre, sitting with strangers, experiencing something together, and again, just Ajay, PVR, you, all of your entire team, you're doing an incredible job. Sanjay ji, आपने कहा this theatre is very close to your heart. It was very close to our school, so we are very thankful for that. I've seen I saw Gandhi here, I saw Rikki Tikki Tavi here, you know, so some very interesting films our school brought us to see. So I have very fond memories of this place, and it's very nice to and very nostalgic to be back here. And now to answer your question, I'm very happy that Zoya has taken so much inspiration from her younger brother over the last. बस यही कहने के लिए मैं था. Thank you. No, I completely agree with Rima that Zoya is a very distinct voice in today's landscape of filmmakers. She has her own style. She has her own way of writing, of directing, of presenting a film, which is very unique to her. And honestly, as a collaborator, as a producer, as her brother, and as somebody who's a flag bearer for her wherever she goes, I couldn't be happier or prouder.
Thank you so much.
I also want to say that there's someone missing here without whom this journey wouldn't have started. And that's Ritesh Sidhwani. He couldn't be here today, but he's really backed every crazy idea we've had, and with full gusto. And I miss him here right now, and I want to thank him as Farhan and Rima, without whom I wouldn't have these movies. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Zoya, I have another question for you. You know, talking about this 15-year journey, और कैसे एक के बाद एक blockbusters आपने दिए हैं. When you look back at this journey of yours, what is that one thing इस वक्त जो जहन में आती है कि वाओ ये हुआ है या ये हुआ है?
I mean, the first thing is that I wanted to be a filmmaker and I made a movie. I think that's awesome. And today I'm still making movies, and that's awesome. So I still have a job. So I'm very grateful. I love what I do. I love cinema. And this industry is just, it's got all my heart, this industry. So, I mean, I don't want to be anywhere else. This is my home. So I'm very happy to be here.
And when your movies are showing, we don't want to be anywhere else. We want to be here at PVR Inox. Rima, this one's for you. Please tell me, you know, you worked with her for quite some time now. What is that one thing? We often say कि ये picture अलग है, थोड़ी अलग बनाई गई है, हट के है. These are the words that we kind of use every now and then. What is that one thing about Zoya's storytelling or direction that actually, you know, sets it apart from everything else, everybody else's work?
Actually, I think I already told you that in what I said the last time. I think it's take, because 10 directors can do the same story,
Right.
but it's Zoya's take on it. I think that makes it different.
Right. Talking about 10 directors doing a similar kind of stuff, I believe when the both of you had started long time back, there was this short story that you guys were supposed to direct, right? लिख तो लिया था, वो क्या हुआ? वो direct नहीं किया? कब देखने मिलेगा?
I don't know when we're going to do it.
But that's going to happen?
You
never know.
When we started off, we were assistants. We met when we were assistant directors, and we thought we'll write a short story and co-direct it. What happened through that process was we understood we could write together, but we can never direct together. Ever. So that was the learning from that experience.
No, but 20 years later, that changed too, because we did co-direct an episode in Made in Heaven together.
So the next time you guys do a movie together, यही चलाएंगे वो कि हमने कहा था. जी हाँ, फिर से सुनिए जोया का क्या कहना था, रीमा का क्या कहना था. Farhan, talking about your collaboration with Zoya, what is that one most special film that you guys have worked on, and it'll always be with you?
Yeah, honestly, these questions are very impossible to answer.
कोई एक.
आपका favorite बच्चा कौन सा है? क्या कह सकता है इंसान? Honestly, it's tough to say. I can say that probably the most fun we had making a film was making Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara together. Because the kind of film that it was, I mean, you could have fun. So that was probably the most enjoyable experience, not just for me as an actor, I think for everyone on the film. It was, but every film, I mean, be it Luck by Chance, be it Dil Dhadakne Do, and anything in the future that she'll cast me in will always be very, very good and very enjoyable.
Talking about Luck by Chance, how was it then? Again, journey की बात हो रही है. It is only fair कि वो पहले दिन को याद करें हम कि जब वो डायरेक्ट कर रही थी आपको.
जी, मुझे मतलब बहुत क्लियरली याद नहीं है कि what was the first day of shoot. मेरे ख्याल से, if please correct me if I'm wrong.
Chiplun. The first
correct.
scene we shot was Farhan, Isha, the character Sharvani, and Dimple, the Nina character, having breakfast together.
Correct.
That was the first scene we ever shot. My first shot was a mid shot on Dimple Kapadia. So she's my first actress ever. Wow. Yeah. Wow.
Farhan, for you, how was it like? Of course, Zoya directing you. वो बताइए.
No, I mean, the thing is that Zoya and me have worked closely, creatively since Dil Chahta Hai. She's been involved in Dil Chahta Hai. She was involved in Laksh and a lot of the other films that Excel has done. So it wasn't something that I was surprised that, oh my God, this girl, she said she can direct or she knows about filmmaking. You know what I mean? Aisa tha nahi. So it felt like a very natural, organic extension from what she was doing before into directing, into writing and then into directing. तो मैं बिल्कुल comfortable था set पे. मुझे पता था कि इसको वो जानती है कि वो क्या कर रही है, वो जानती है कि वो performances से, scene से उसे क्या चाहिए. तो I was just doing my part of playing the character.
Retrospective का जब ये idea आया था जोया, तो क्या discussion हुआ था? How did it all, stem? कहाँ से कहाँ इसकी शुरुआत हुई?
I mean, my office told me this, and I got really excited that this was happening, and it was coinciding with 9 years of DDD. And I mean, there's one aspect of you says, am I retrospective? Am I kind of done? But then there's another part of you that's like jumping with joy that your films are going to be on the big screen again. So it's very exciting, and I'm really grateful for this.
Right. Ajay sir, what was the idea behind all this, and why Zoya Akhtar?
नहीं, आप इनका अगर आप body of work देखें, Excel, I mean, you're right, Ritesh is being missed here, right from Dil Chahta Hai, and Zoya's films, Farhan's films, the body of work is just incredible. So it has to be done. Retrospective को ऐसे कोई नहीं कर सकते. It has to be of somebody who's done incredible work, and their body work is just amazing. Right. So I thought, in 15 years, Luck by Chance has been quite some time. So I think even though she's got many, many more years and decades of doing incredible work, I still thought that it's something to be celebrated. Right. And so that's right. It was an easy decision.
It was indeed. Talking about the films that they've selected for this festival, अब वही फरहान भाई वाला बात हो जाएगी कि कैसे मैं अपना फेवरेट बच्चा चुनूं यहाँ पे. लेकिन what is that one movie that you are really excited to see on that big screen one more time?
I think I think the first one is always special. And there are two firsts here. One is Luck by Chance, the first film I directed. And the second one is Talash, which is the first film we wrote together. So I think our first collaboration, Farhan is an actor, was on one, and a writer was on one. So I think those are the two.
Right. Rima, for you, कौन सी एक movie रहेगी that you would love to watch again and
I'm
again?
more like in Farhan's zone, you know. How do you choose between
सारे
the
बच्चे
kids?
अच्छे।
Yeah, it's very hard.
Right.
I love. No, I love all of them. You know, I do. I love all of them.
Right. Sanjay sir, what is that one thing जो अभी way forward क्या होगा लीडो के लिए जो हमें आगे देखने को मिलेगा और क्या होगा इस पार्टनरशिप में आगे?
यहाँ आपको सिर्फ अच्छी पिक्चरें मिलेंगी और हाउसफुल मिलेगा, टिकटें मिल गई तो बताना हमें।
ये कर दिया सर आपने, ये कर दिया आपने यहाँ पे बात। वी हैव दिस एमिनेंट जर्नलिस्ट हमारे साथ यहाँ पे, वो मुझे बस अभी बता रहे थे एक फिल्म जो कि फ्राइडे को रिलीज हुई थी, 2 दिन तक तो आराम से टिकट्स मिल गए, उसके बाद वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से वो इतनी आगे गई कि टिकट्स के लिए लाइनें लगाई थी सोहेल भाई ने, है ना?
तेजाब 28 शो पैक मारी थी
सर
ऐसे तो लिस्ट है लंबी।
A lot of people remember.
जॉज
right. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. I think
Thank you.
वो फिल्म मुझे भी याद है, सबको
Thank
याद
you.
है यहाँ पे। Thank you so much, Zoya, and congratulations on this. I remember watching my first movie in Mumbai in 2009 at a PVR. It was Luck by Chance. And I don't know कितने सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको वो एक उड़ान मिली. You know, they've got that inspiration to do something in the industry.